Welcome to the introduction of Flutter's reign in mobile development. Flutter, developed by Google, has quickly become a favorite for building beautiful, high-performance mobile apps. Its popularity stems from its ability to create natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase. This cross-platform capability saves developers significant time and resources. Flutter uses Dart, an easy-to-learn object-oriented programming language, making it even more appealing for developers. As we move into 2024, Flutter continues to evolve, with new updates and features enhancing its capabilities. Staying ahead of the curve requires developers to remain updated on the latest trends and best practices. This essay will serve as your guide to navigating the world of Flutter development in 2024. We'll delve into essential packages, clean code practices, and architectural patterns that will be crucial for your success, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting. Understanding these core aspects of Flutter will undoubtedly elevate your app development journey. So let's dive in and explore the roadmap to mastering Flutter development in 2024. Moving on to Section 2, Essential Flutter Packages for 2024. The Flutter ecosystem thrives on its rich collection of packages, providing pre-built functionalities that accelerate development. Leveraging these packages effectively is key to efficient and effective coding. Let's explore some essential packages for 2024. For state management, Provider continues to be a popular choice, offering a simple way to manage your app's state. HTTP for making network requests remains essential for interacting with APIs. For robust local storage, SQFlite is a powerful package for handling SQLite databases within your app. Beyond these core packages, exploring packages specific to your app's needs is crucial. Whether you need advanced animations, complex UI elements, or integrations with third-party services, the Flutter ecosystem has got you covered. Remember to choose packages that are well maintained, documented, and align with your project's requirements. Lastly, let's discuss Section 3, Writing Clean Code with Flutter. Clean code is paramount in software development, and Flutter is no exception. Writing clean, readable, and maintainable code is essential for long-term project success. It ensures that your codebase remains manageable, reduces bugs, and makes collaboration with other developers seamless. Start by following Flutter's style guide, which provides conventions for formatting, naming, and structuring your code. Use meaningful names for variables, functions, and classes, making it easier to understand their purpose. Break down complex functions into smaller, more manageable ones, improving code readability and testability. Effective commenting is also crucial. Document your code clearly, explaining the logic, decisions made, and any complex algorithms. This practice not only helps others understand your code, but also serves as a reference for you in the future. Remember, clean code is not just about making your code look good, it's about writing code that is easy to understand, maintain, and scale. Building scalable Flutter apps requires careful planning and the right architectural choices. A well-defined architecture ensures that your app can handle growth, accommodates new features, and remains maintainable as it evolves. The block, business logic component pattern has gained significant traction in Flutter development. Block separates business logic from the UI, making your code more testable and reusable. Provider, as mentioned earlier, can be effectively used to implement the block pattern in your projects. Another important aspect of scalability is modularization. Break down your app into smaller, independent modules, each responsible for a specific feature or functionality. This approach not only improves code organization, but also allows for parallel development and easier maintenance. Remember, a scalable architecture is an investment in the future of your app, ensuring its longevity and ability to adapt to changing requirements. Mastering Flutter development in 2024 goes beyond simply learning the language and framework. It's about embracing best practices, leveraging the power of packages, and adopting architectural patterns that set your projects up for success. By writing clean, maintainable code and architecting for scalability, you create apps that are not only robust but also adaptable to future growth and changes. Keep experimenting, exploring new packages, and staying updated with the latest advancements in the Flutter world. The Flutter community is vibrant and supportive, offering ample resources and learning opportunities. Engage with the community, participate in forums, and contribute to open source projects to further enhance your skills. As you embark on your Flutter development journey, remember that the key to success lies in continuous learning and a passion for building exceptional mobile experiences. Embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and never stop exploring the vast possibilities that Flutter offers. Your dedication to mastering these elements will undoubtedly pave the way for you to become a proficient and sought-after Flutter developer.